Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can reset your template on WordPress, so let's get right into it. Now, to reset your template or theme, it doesn't really reset everything. However, there is a way to do this, and I'm going to show you guys exactly what I mean in a moment. It does do some things differently. It doesn't reset your entire theme, at least as far as I'm aware. But yeah, without further ado, let's get right into it. Now, what you need to do here is to go into Appearance when you're on your WordPress admin dashboard. Go into Appearance and then go into the editor. From here, you'll be taken to this page in just a second, and it looks like this. You have your page displayed over here, and you have this left-hand slide menu, which you can edit. And from here, we're going to go into the templates, and then from there, you can see all of your templates. Now, as you can see, you have a couple of archives, different pages and what they looked like throughout your editing. And once you locate what you want, as you can see, all archives has only the edit option. But for example, if I have the blog home, I can go ahead and click on the three dots. And once I do, you have the option to reset. Just click on reset, click reset again to confirm. And after a few seconds, it's going to clear all the resets and you should be good to go. And once that's done, it's pretty much all you need to do. Anything that looks customized, you can pretty much just reset. For some reason, this page, even though it is customized, I can't reset it. This 404 can be reset for some reason. I'm not sure why, but it is what it is. So just reset everything you would like, and that should be good to go. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.